Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a yellow cat. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a yellow cat. I'm starting with its head. And here's its two tiny ears. These are its eyes. And I'm drawing its nose and mouth. Its face is done, now let's draw its body. Here is its long tail. Now I'm using my thin black pen. Okay, my drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my pink pen. Now I'm using my orange pen. Now I'm using my orange highlighter pen. Wow, it's looking really cute. Thank you so much for watching.